Joe Bonur here, author of Throw the Rabbit and Get That Job in 30 Days or Less. I once heard the expression, if you don't know where you're going, you've already arrived. And what that means is if we don't have goals, if we don't know what it is we're shooting for, how can we hit the target? I was doing a training program for a hotel chain the other day, and I had about 150 people in the room. I told everyone in the room to write down anything they ever wanted to have be or do. Well, I got a lot of skeptical looks like, yeah, we've heard this before, this kind of stuff doesn't work. I said, no, go ahead, write down anything you've ever wanted to have be or do. So reluctantly, they went ahead and started writing down what their goals were. And what I told them is I want no limit goals. Don't limit yourself in what you write. And the same thing, when you're looking for a job, what do you really want? Write down your goals. What kind of a job would you want right now so that if you got that job, if you got the job you wanted, it wouldn't be like going to work every day. So they wrote down their goals, and when they were finished, I went around the room and I asked a few of them, I said, well, what did you write? I put the microphone to one lady, and she says, well, I wrote down that I want to go on a trip to Scotland. I said, then pick somebody in this room. And I said, who wants to be her partner to see if she does what she says she's going to do? And the guy right behind said, I'll be her accountability partner. I said, great. So this afternoon when you leave this room, I want you to go right to the travel agency and get yourself a brochure on going to Scotland. She agreed to do that. Next lady said that she's always wanted to take a trip too. She told me where she wanted to go. Another lady said she wanted to buy a certain car. I said, go to the dealership and drive the car. And then I went up to a young woman who was sitting right in the front row. She was one of the housekeepers. And I said, ma'am, what do you want to do? And she looked at me and says, I'd like to be on The Voice. I'd like to sing on The Voice. I said, oh, really? I said, how come would you want to do that? She said, well, because if I can sing on The Voice, people would see how good I can sing, and then maybe I could get a job working in the lounge. I said, wow, that's a great goal. I said, can you really sing? She said, yeah. I said, well, come on, get up here in front of the group. There's 150, 200 people who she knew right there in the room. So she said, oh, okay. So she got up and she took the microphone and she just blew us all away. It was just awesome. And then she sat down, and then I finished my program. When I finished my program, the owner of the hotel chain came up to the front of the room, and he said, Lulu, come up here a second. So she stood up, and he said to her, he said, you said you want to sing in the lounge. That's why you wanted to be on The Voice. He said, we own several lounges. He said, Lulu, as of now, you have a job in one of our lounges. I have to be honest with you, I've never seen a goal achieved that fast before. She was so excited. Her friend sitting in the front row was in tears over the situation. So what I'm saying is, writing things down helps your subconscious to pick it up, and it moves you towards whatever it is without your even having to put forth much effort. Thank you so much for listening to this, and you make it an awesome day.